Hi, it's me, Laura. And no, I'm not a but I couldn't figure out how to show you this thing that I like. So I got down to its level. It is a holder inside your sink. That's right, inside your sink. Now this is one of the farmhouse sinks, so it doesn't have the divider in there, so this works perfectly. But check it out. Oh, can I show you? It holds all of the sponges, plus the stopper is in here. Okay, my fingernail got stuck, but that's okay. There you go. Plus the stopper fits in there. So you can fit several things for drying that's perfectly out of the way. It's not intrusive on the counter at all, and it's just tucked in, hidden. So when people are coming in from the side, they can't see this. They can't see the little things that need to be in your kitchen. So if you need a great place for your sponges to dry, yet you just don't want them on the counter or tucked down below, this would be something I would choose.